Now talking about the power and the usability in business intelligence. Usability means that the platform it meets your requirement ranging from the technical, which can be the data structure, the security, etc., to the business requirement, that is connecting to all your data sources. So usability means how much that platform is usable for you. So whether the platform it is meeting what you require from it, so that is what is usability. Usability it means that the business intelligence platform it inherently values the data and wants you to succeed. Business intelligence platform usage it makes sure that your organization it is committed to enabling the data empowerment and emphasizing the value of data. In turn, this also leads to the data driven decision making and actionable insight, which will ultimately drive your business forward. So, when you are actually using this business intelligence solution, this particular solution, it work for you. It will ensure that you will make the best usage of the data available. It will make sure that whatever analysis reports are going to be provided to you, they are useful for you. It will emphasize on the value of data. So this will lead to the data driven decision making, so that whatever decision you can make for your organization, whatever strategies, plan, tactics you achieve from this business intelligence solution, they are correct and work for the profitability of the organization. So when we talk about the usability of business intelligence means that it is meeting your requirement, whether they are technical requirement or the business requirement, and it is ensuring that uh, the business intelligence solution they value the data. They understand that how much that data is important, because all the future decisions are going to be made depending on the historical data only, depending on the past records only. So the purpose of business intelligence it is to support managing the massive stock and flow of business information around and within the organization, by firstly identifying and secondly processing the information into condensed and useful managerial knowledge and intelligence. So these business intelligence solutions they will first gather the data from various sources. They will transform it using various tools, and the data analytics will be performed onto the data using the OLAP tool, the machine learning tool, the data mining tools, using various tools, and then the reporting or the presentation of data will be done, from where the data it can will be represented in the form of dashboards, scoreboards, or into the form of some graphs, charts, or in any form that is acceptable to the user who is using it. So the main purpose of business intelligence is to support managing the massive stocks and the flow of business information around and within the organization. Whatever information is taking place, whatever the communication is taking place, it has to ensure that it the information that is getting transferred, the data that is getting received, that is all correct and that is all useful for the people of the organization. Business intelligence platform they value the data and enable the data empowerment in few ways. What are the ways? First of all, the ability to consume the data from multiple data sources, which can be the databases, which can be the file uploads through some ETL connectors. ETL is extract, transform, and load connectors. So first of all, they have the capability to consume the data from various sources. Then they provide the support in data modeling, blending, and discovery. They will provide the support. Once the data is gathered, it has to be modeled, it has to be blended in a particular way, and the patterns have to be discovered from that data. Next, it will enable the users to create the reports and the data visualization. Later on, the purchase and the implementation ability by average business user with minimum IT involvement is necessary. So that is what is the usability of our business intelligence solution. It values the data and enable the data empowerment. What are the ways in which it does it? It consumes the data from sources. It uh, provides support in data modeling, blending, and discovery. It will enable the users to create the reports and the data visualization, and it will purchase an implementation capability by average business users without the involvement of IT people. So business intelligence system, they increase the organizational efficiency, they enhance the data based decision making, they improve the customer performance, and they also work on the employee satisfaction. So organization, they know their market and performance through business intelligence, and they can strategically position themselves for more competitive advantage. So using these business intelligence solutions, the organization, they will get to know about their market, their performance, that how are they performing, and they can make decisions for the future, that if certain strategies are made, how are they going to produce the result in the coming years. So using these business intelligence tool, we can increase the organizational efficiency, we can work on the database decision making, we can enhance that database decision making, because uh, since there is a large volume of data which is stored into the data sources, a human, it is not possible for him, for a human to understand that data and to derive some conclusions from that data. So we have various tools for helping them into providing the analysis of data. So that is the part of this business intelligence thing. It also improves the customer experience, and it also provides satisfaction to the various employees of the organization. Using this business intelligence solution, the organization, they will get to know about their market and their performance through business intelligence, and so they can strategically position themselves for more competitive advantage, for more profitability of the organization. Business intelligence application, they are consulted to obtain the information that assists in making the business decisions, and to support a deeper understanding of the business and its deriving forces. The benefits that can be derived from the use of business intelligence application, they include the effectiveness, that is the faster and easier access to the information, saving in the information technology cost, greater customer satisfaction, and improved competitiveness of the enterprises. So the business intelligence solution application, when we talk about, they provide us with all these advantages. So that is why we can say how useful these business intelligence solutions are for any enterprises. So that is what is the usability of this business intelligence solution. They provide us with the faster and the easier access to the information. They provide us with the saving of the information technology cost. They provide with the greater customer satisfaction. They provide with the improved competitiveness of the enterprises. These business intelligence solutions, they help the enterprises, they help the business to take correct decisions. Like we humans, we use our intelligence to reach to certain conclusion, to reach to certain decisions related to our products, related to our working of the organization. In the very similar way, these business intelligence tool, after doing the analysis of all the data that is stored inside them, they will provide us with certain form of intelligent decisions. According to those decisions, they will produce the outcome of that, and accordingly the strategies they can be made for the organization. So the value of business intelligence, it is determined by measuring the efficiency of the business intelligence personnel, effective allocation of the available resources, the quality of the business intelligence products, and the user satisfaction. So these all factors will determine the value of business intelligence. We can determine the value of business intelligence by measuring the efficiency of the business intelligence personnel, checking out the effective allocation of the available resources, the quality of the various business intelligence product, and the user satisfaction. So the main thing here is a user satisfaction, that how much is the user satisfied using this solution. There is evidence that business intelligence usability, it has not been well researched, and most recent studies on the evaluation of business intelligence here fall short of mentioning. So we should understand that what how useful this business intelligence platform is for the people of the organization, for the satisfaction of the customers, for gaining more profitability for the organization, for saving in the information cost, for by providing easier access to the information of the organization, and many more. Talking about the power business intelligence, Power BI, it is a tool that is a business intelligence component of the Microsoft Power Platform, which also include the Power Apps and Power Automate, which is formerly Microsoft Flow. So this Power BI tool, it is a tool, it is a business intelligence component of the Microsoft Power Platform. It allows you to visualize the data from your Microsoft Dynamics NAVs or Business Central instances, along with many other systems that you have, including the Facebooks, the Google Analytics, the SharePoint, or any website analytics. So this Power BI, it is a tool by the Microsoft. It provides you with various capabilities like it, we can uncover the actionable insight, we can use a drag and drop functionality here, we can use make any kind of report using these tools, we can generate any kind of data visualization for our data. So it provides us with a whole set of this business intelligence tool, which provide us with all forms of functionality that can be utilized for the analysis of data. It allows us to visualize the data. Now the data, it can be from the Microsoft Dynamics itself or from the Business Central instances. Along with that, it can also be retrieved from the Facebook, whether it is Google Analytics, SharePoint, or any website analytics, it can be performed. So Power BI, it is a tool we should understand. It is a business intelligence component of the Microsoft Power Platform. Talking about finding the right spot on the Quantium. Quantium is what? Quantium means something you start and you never stop improving upon. In your mind, business intelligence Quantium, it is a continuous investment of resources to take the business intelligence capabilities to next level. So when we are talking about business intelligence Quantium, we want the continuous investment of the resources so that we can take the business intelligence capabilities to the next level. Now there are different parts. We want that we should never stop growing. So whatever business intelligence tool or the solution we are creating, we should understand the various aspects for it. So the various aspects for any business intelligence solution, the first one would be descriptive. Descriptive means reporting what happened, what has happened, reporting about that what has happened related to any product, related to any activity or anything. So that is called descriptive analysis. Then we have the diagnostic analysis. Diagnostic means slice or dice to find out why. Now we have understood that what has happened. Now we need to analyze that why has this happened. This why, it can be positive, it can be negative. If we have attained a lot of profitability over some product, so we can analyze that why have we gained so much profit on this product, so that the same strategy it can be implemented on other products also. And if we have uh, attained some loss onto some activity, then it definitely requires analysis that why have we incurred or loss onto this. So this is called diagnostic, diagnosing the problem, that why has this happened. Then we have the third thing, that is predictive. Predictive means now predicting, now forecasting based on certain patterns which are detected in the data. Now we have to do certain form of predictive analysis. We have to predict the future outcomes, that if we make some changes, what is going to be the outcome. So this is called predictive analysis. Then we have the prescriptive. Prescriptive means applying the knowledge to effect the changes. Now we will apply the knowledge that we have gained to effect the necessary changes. So this is finding the right spot on the continuum. That means we are continuously moving towards the improvement. We want our business intelligence tool to help us in continuously improving, help us gain more and more by doing these kinds of analysis. The first is descriptive, that analyzes that what happens, what has happened. Diagnostic, that analyzes or slices or dices to find out why has this happened. Then we have prescriptive, predictive. Predictive means forecasting depending on certain patterns which are detected in data. Then the last one is prescriptive. That means we apply the knowledge that we have gained to effect the changes. So this is, we have to uh, keep on doing. We have to keep on improving.